fix that? Who got that working for you, Lucas? Who made the vacuum work for you? Our little cleaner. Hey, Lucas, who got the vacuum to work for you? Who did it, Mama or Dada? Daddy. 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 Do you think he should put it all together for you now? You gonna give it to him? Okay, buddy, it's all yours.